Bottle gourd with carp fish hat curry. Looks delicious. Bottle, gourd and carp fish had. Clean and washed. Marinade, the fish had. Salt. Turmeric powder. Chili powder. Mix well. Bottle, gourd, fill and cut. Oil, a half cup. Fry fish head. Fry 3 to 4 minutes. Flip over. Done. Take out. Onion a half cup. Minced garlic 2 tablespoons. Some green chili. Stir and fry. Salt to taste. Shaw cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Stir and fry, few seconds. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Water. Saute 2 minutes. Add sliced tomato. Add fried fish head. Cover and cook 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, break the fish head. Add bottle gourd. Stir and mix. Cover and cook. Stir after sometimes. Take out the bones. Add warm water as needed. Cook another 5 to 6 minutes. Add coriander leaves. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.